Good morning everyone and welcome to our Friday assembly. It's great to see everybody in their Christmas jumpers today. I've got Mr. Snowman here on. So great to see you all getting in the Christmas spirit today. We've had a busy week and quite a Christmassy week this week. We've seen Christmas cards, Christmas calendars being made. We've had our school Christmas meal, which was fantastic. So big thank you to our cooks this week. And also I had a really difficult job of judging the best Christmas card from the competition we did for Christmas cards. The entries were absolutely stunning, so well done to everyone that entered that competition. Mr. Croxon will show those in the slide later on in our assembly. But well done to everyone. I was really impressed with your efforts. Now this is our last Friday assembly of this term, so we've done a whole term since we've been back at school this year. So next Friday, you can all stay at home and have an extra day off. Staff will be in next Friday. We're going to be swapping our presents and getting ready for Christmas too. But next Friday, you'll be sitting at home. So this is our last Friday assembly. So this Friday, we are looking at our stars of the term. So not only those children that have stood out each week, but a star in each class who has really stood out from September to December. So we're going to hear from our teachers now and hear all the reasons why our stars have been chosen. And also look out for who our readers of the week are, our modern foreign language star of the term, our PE stars. They will all be following. But have a great Friday, enjoy Christmas Jumper Day, and I'll see you all around school. And Merry Christmas everyone.
Our child of the half term is Anaya, and we've chosen Anaya because Anaya, you work so hard in all of your lessons. You push your limits in everything that you do, and every time I turn around you are doing the right thing. You've practiced your handwriting, which was challenging, but now your handwriting is beautiful. So keep up the good work, well done.
Choosing a child of the half term has been really difficult for me. 1HM, you have all been remarkable, but unfortunately I can only choose one. So Caden, I have chosen you. You come to school enthusiastic and a willingness to learn new things. I am so proud of all the work that you produce every day. You are confident, helpful and overall just remarkable. Me and Mrs. Brinley are really pleased. Keep up this super work. Well done.
My child of the half term is Imara. Imara, you are such a fantastic role model. You follow all of our school values. You are so independent and you always try to get it right. Well done. Keep it up.
My child of the half term is someone who's really impressed me. His attitude is amazing. He's trying to engage in lessons, which he doesn't always find easy. And his work is always of a really high standard as he's got such high expectations. I've been really, really impressed with him this half term. Well done to Ayan A.
Hi everyone, my child of the half term is going to feel like it's a bit of a deja vu week this week because I only nominated them last week. So my child of the half term has to again be Chloe D. Her progress this term has been stunning. She got her pen licence, she's smashed out her results in her mock SATs papers, she does the character curriculum tasks at home. I just haven't seen someone so dedicated to their learning as I have with Chloe D. So well done, thank you for all the effort you put in and let's keep it up.
I'm really pleased to give my child of the half term to Peter. He's really impressed me with how much his confidence has improved. He doesn't always find it easy to come into school, but he's been in every day, getting earlier and earlier, taking part in all the lessons. He's become a really independent learner, working on his Chromebook. I've just been really, really impressed with his attitude and I hope he keeps it up for the next half term. So well done, Peter. It's a pleasure to have you in class.
My star of the term is Elijah. Elijah, you've made so much progress, not just in maths, not just in literacy, but in topic and reading as well. You've worked so hard in every single subject to make sure you are pushing your limits. I can't believe how far you've come. I'm really proud of you, and I'm sure that your mummy is too. Well done.
My child of the half term is Logan. Logan, you are a delight to have in class. You work so hard, you try your best, you're so polite. I can rely on you to do any job that I need doing. Keep up this hard work, you're fantastic.
Hi 3MC, Miss Baker and I have had the tough job of choosing just one child to be our child of the half term. And we have chosen Danny to be our child of the half term. Danny is all kinds of remarkable. He puts in 100% effort in every single lesson that we do. It is really lovely to have Danny as part of our class because he always sets the perfect example to everybody else, and he has earned his handwriting pen this half term. So well done, Danny. Keep up the amazing work.
My star of the half term has to go to Jacob. Jacob, I have chosen you because you have been wowing me in everything that you have done, especially your maths work. You try so hard every week to improve your score in Minion Mathletics. You come in every day with a smile on your face, wanting to push your limits. You definitely cheer Miss Boylan and myself up every single day. So keep it up, Jacob. We're really proud of you.
In nursery, we have chosen Aram as our child of the term. Aram, you are a role model to all of the other children in nursery. We have been really impressed with all of your home learning as well. You've been trying so hard, reading books and even trying to write your name. Keep up the amazing work, Aram. Well done.
Hello 4SH. I am proud to announce that our child of the term is Corey. And I know you will all agree with me that he's a perfect choice. He has been so very resilient, and we all know how hard he's working and how dedicated he has been towards trying to earn his pen licence, which fingers crossed he will get after Christmas. Beyond that, he is always thinking of others and is the most gracious and big-hearted child. If ever any other table wins the table points or other children win dojo random prizes, Corey is always the first child to congratulate them and say well done. And I know that his friends and everybody in our class really thinks highly of Corey. So Corey, you are my child of the half term. I am very, very proud of you. Keep up the wonderful work you're doing.
This week I needed to pick a child of the term, and I thought really hard about this, but there was one obvious candidate, and that was Evie. Evie, you are a remarkable and wonderful pupil. Even when you broke your arm, that didn't stop you engaging in your learning. This really demonstrated what a resilient pupil you are. So thank you for all your hard work.
Hi everybody, my child of the half term is Arissa Hind. She's really hard working, especially with her artwork. She's bound to be an artist of the future. She does amazing maths work, amazing English work, and she's just great to have in the class. So well done Arissa, keep up the great work.
Hello everybody, my child of the half term is Musa. Musa, you've really impressed me this half term. Last half term you were just about finishing your fluency tasks in maths and in English, but now you are being so independent. You've even managed to reach our blue further extension tasks. You have been independent and you are constantly asking me for the next challenge. Keep it up, Musa. You have had an incredible half term, and I know that we are to expect great things from you for the rest of the year. Well done.
My child of the half term is Rua. Rua, you have tried really hard in everything that you do. You are always engaging in the activities, and you try so hard in phonics. I am amazed with the amount of progress you have made already. Well done, Rua. Keep it up.
Zachariah, you are the child of the term in the EAL Hub because over the last 7 weeks you've been working really hard to put your ideas into writing and become a more independent learner and completing tasks no matter how challenging they are. Well done, superstar. Keep up all the hard work next term. See you soon. Bye.
Good morning. My child of the term is Lexi, and I've awarded Lexi Child of the Term because she's just remarkable in everything that she does. She puts in 100% effort. She listens to everything you say and applies it to her learning all of the time. Her books are a real treat to open and her work a treat to read. And she just excels in everything she does. And I just wanted to say that I'm really proud of you, Lexi. You are a superstar. Keep up the good work and you are going to breeze through your Year 6 SATs. Well done.
I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me. This is me. wanna drown my